Hi, I'm Jan from Velomobielworld.com, and as you saw already in the title, we need some help. We have some problems with a supplier, and on the end of the video I will ask you help, so have a look until the end. Also, I want to show you some really cool things we did on the Alpha 7. So here below the seat there was always there's the idler, and as you can see, so here's the idler and it turning around, and it happened by me and by some other guys already that my nice jacket, which is not nice anymore, gets in there and is eaten. So that was really a downer. Daniel really made a really nice cover. So this will be standard in production. Let me see how to put it on with one hand. That's not that easy. Okay. I have also another option available now. Daniel designed a very nice package space here in the front, and I want to show it now. So I did not glue one by myself here because I don't really need one, but I can imagine that it's just here. It's really huge. I did not test it out, so I don't know how much space I have between my legs and this package space. Yeah, because I don't have stuff to bring with me. So you can have, for example, a left and a right. I would say that only a left or only a right is more than enough, unless you're going on vacation or something. I guess you can fit a complete sleeping bag here, and there a small tent. So if you go on vacation, this is a really good option. So yeah, I would suggest that you need like one. If you have to put in your spare tires, some other things, that's really nice because it doesn't bother you. But if you go on vacation, it's really nice to have two. I probably will glue in only left, and put there all my tires, my spare tires in. But yeah, right now, let me see. Right now I have them here in the armrests. So actually I have only inner tubes with me, and somewhere there, I hope, I didn't check, I have a pump there. The bad news is I need your help. The supply chain is really messed up, especially in the bicycle parts, and Sturmey Archer is the king right now. We ordered in February. It was promised to get our drum brakes with brake pads in May. Then in June I was like, oh, let's ask when it comes, because, well, we were not in a hurry. So I was like, if it's like 2 months, 3 months later, it's all okay. And in June they were like, yeah, well, it will be July. I was like, okay, July, it's still okay. We were on time. So in July I informed again, and we're like, oh, we don't know yet. I said, okay, you don't know yet. What do you mean? You don't know yet when it comes? Or no, we don't know when it will be produced. I was like, okay, that's really bad. And in end of July says, it will be shipped in September from China or from Taiwan to. I was like, okay, that's September shipped, and September, October, November somewhere it will be in my warehouse. I was like, okay, that's fine. And last week I received the call like, yeah, we even don't know when it will be produced. I was like, oh, but you promised it will be shipped in September. Luckily, we kept a pretty big stock on Sturmey-Argyr. We have still like five months hops. Only we have more 70mm hops as 90mm hops. This might gonna end up that we ask people to choose 70mm hops instead of 90 because we cannot supply. But my question is, do you know alternatives for Sturmey-Argyr 90mm hops? Because for the 70mm I found already some alternatives. I don't want to go to disc brake in case of many people come with disc brake options. So that's not really, that's a no-go for me. Yeah. Please let some comments behind. Contact me on info@velomobielworld.com if you have some good suggestions where I can get good alternatives for Sturmey-Argyr. Because yeah, this is really a ridiculous situation. We've been over 20 years indirect client at Sturmey-Argyr, and they don't even want to give me information. So it appears to me that bigger clients get the parts and we don't. Yeah, it's really annoying, this situation. So if you could help us out, that would be really great. Bye bye. If you liked our video, please consider subscribing of it. If you want to let some comments behind with some ideas from other videos, just put it in the comments. We have also a website, velomobielworld.com. Have a look. Have a great day. Bye bye.